That's the chamfer tool.
Yep.
So that'll make it hold a weld better?
That'll give you a place for the weld to go to.
Oh. So they...
See, I ground this one too, see?
Oh yeah. So it should...
When you put them together, you weld a snot out of it.
And it'll hold, huh?
Get something to bite onto and it should hold it. The key is to hold it straight and not have it bent. So this is almost pushing in there, but not quite.
Do you think they chamfered it when they originally made it?
I don't think they did a very good job of anything they did before.
Will that, pushing it in further, will it make it not as... It'll make it not as long, so what if I don't have as... What if it don't fit now?
We have a stop right here.
Oh, okay. Oh.
So it goes in so far.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So we've got a shoulder that holds it. We just gotta make sure we weld it straight. It doesn't go tweak like that.
Will the heat do that to it?
Yep. So you're gonna hold pressure on it a little bit somehow, which would be pretty hard to do.
Yeah, because you can't hold it with your hand,
It
huh?
won't stay down this way. See, it's not tapered.
Yeah.
It has a flat shoulder, so you just have to get it where it kind of holds straight like that and just go for it. Weld the snot out of it. And
Yep.
make sure you turn the amps up so it gives a good penetration weld. You know, dorky ass cold weld like they have. Oh well.
They're probably doing hundreds of those things a day, huh?
That's right, I did a good job too.
Working in...
Mighty fine job.
Yep. I don't think I've ever seen you use that vise yet.
This rusty piece of crap vise here.
It's better than the one I have at home.
That might be, but it's still a rusty piece of crap vise. It has horrible ground because it's all rusty.
Oh. It looks very old.
Yeah, it could be. Need something to grab a hold of it with. So I need a ground that works. There's a ground that works.
So on camera, the camera lens doesn't get hurt by the welding, right? But the...
This one doesn't seem to be, because we've welded it out with it a few times and it still works. For whatever reason.
But you'd think it would, huh?
If you look it up to your eyeballs, it would hurt.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna do that.
You gonna do that one?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. I need those.
You need those. Okay, so how hot would you make this?
As hot as...
I'm gonna turn the pig up.
Hot as it needs to be, I guess.
We're gonna crank up the amps. So that's a 350 amp machine and we're halfway up.
Oh.
How many is that?
That's 175.
It's 150, 175 amps. Okay, so we get the gas out, see?
Oh, why do you do that?
So I know I got gas in here.
Wow.
Smoking hot.
Like a chimney. That was quick.
Hope that's enough heat for needed to.
Oh, it seemed like it liked it. It took the paint off.
Yeah, I don't know. It might not have been hot enough.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have to grind that away and see then?
Don't have to, but
Well, I don't know anything about it, so.
You can leave it or take it off, it don't matter. The top doesn't mean nothing, it's what's underneath what matters.
That's what I mean. If you grind it away, you could see if it was.
And then you have to re-weld it because you took it off.
I guess we could. I mean, if you think it's good.
Find out when you put it back together and it falls off again.
You know, if that happens, I think I'm just gonna go open and not have a primary, so I can just take it off.
Will it be unsnooted?
Yeah.
So you don't like your snoot not being on there?
I mean, it's okay. I could just oil the chain like I did today, but that would be pretty bothersome if you're on a long trek somewhere.
Yep. That is 100% true.
Oh, so you are going to grind it off.
I'm going to take some of it off.
That looks good.
Well, that part is good. It's the part that's underneath that matters.
In that little chamfer you made, huh?
Yep. That's what it's cosmetic.
Still.
Oh, yeah. Warm. Right through here it's hot.
Ooh, yeah, it is.
Put it on.
Alrighty. Back on the bike. Yep. Okay. Here, you want to hold this?
Not really.
Well, we can end it then.
Did you lose your tripod?
It's in there probably.
Get all blown up too for some reason.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Well, it seems to go all the way through still.
Good.
So that's good.
Put some torque on it, see if it snaps off.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do that before we put it all together.
Yeah, I put a little heat on it, but I don't know how good it was.
Where's my,
I bet if it's 100% weld, it's probably only about 80,
here we are.
maybe 75%. Looks like it's gonna rain again today. Look at that. Look at the clouds. Sun's going behind the clouds too.
I don't want to ride this thing in the rain.
I didn't know we have another storm coming through today. Oh, there goes the virus hunters. Look at that.
Big bird.
Yep. Flying away again. Going over to the Marine Hospital or somewhere, Navy Hospital. Need help with that?
No, I just dropped my nut.
You've lost your nut again.
It's not lost. I know where it is.
Oh, good.
I just need to get my pick out to get it.
Well, this case doesn't have the recess that holds it in here either. Look at that. There's nothing to keep that thing square.
Oh, really?
This is not a Harley case, is it?
Yeah, it is. It has the secret number, matching numbers, genuine Harley case.
Why does it not have the genuine Harley recess that goes in there that holds it?
Oh, I don't know. But the title numbers match the numbers on there. The numbers inside the cases match.
You mean these numbers over here that somebody stamped in?
Maybe it's a replacement case from Harley.
I don't know. It should have a Harley case have a recess in here for holding their snoot in the right spot.
Really?
Yeah, they do. So where's your primary cover at?
Right there.
Why don't you put it on here so we can see where it's supposed to be?
With the bolts?
The bolts would help align it, yeah.
Okay.
There they go again. We got maneuvers out here. They're flying in circles. Maybe they're lost. Where'd they go? There's one. Yeah, I think they got lost. Oh, wrong direction. They're doing a flyover around downtown. They're circling around for some reason. They're out there over the bay right now. Doing loop-de-loos over there. There they are. They're coming back around again. See? See? They're coming back around again. I think they're lost. Yep. I'm gonna make another lap around the block. There they are. They're going around again. Get a flyover. I wonder what they're doing. They're up to something. Maybe they're going to attack. That's too low. See anybody in the village? Can you see anybody? Close enough to see? Lost them. They're close. Everybody home? Yeah. Oh well. Life in San Diego.
Pretty good.
They're making loops out there.
Oh.
At least now they went to the Navy Hospital, which is that way. I think they got lost. See, that's why they have balls on the end of those levers. You just hurt your head when they hit them.
Oh, it does.
You got a hole in your head?
I might.
How'd the snoot? Does it fit? Oh, look at that. It fits in the hole now.
It does. Now I'm going to put some torque on it.
All right. Torque it down.
Get this little nut in here.
Yeah, see, you still got no division to hold that correctly.
That's so strange.
And if I hold it right there, it kind of centers it. That might be some of the reason why it fell off. Wasn't in there very straight. But if it had a good weld on it, it wouldn't have mattered. We'll see how good my weld is. Might have to redo it. This time we'll preheat the piss out of it if it doesn't hold.
How should I torque it? Like as much as I can?
No, it's 5/16 bolt, so tighten it down accordingly.
Alright, I think that's good.
Okay. Did it fall off yet?
I didn't hear it.
Okay, good.
So now I'm just going to put all this back together.
That's a good sign. It didn't fall off again.
I was wondering, on these bolts in here,
Yes.
do they go all the way through to the flywheels?
No.
Oh, thank goodness.
They would leak oil if they did.
I was just so worried that...
Yeah, I found one of your bolts over here.
Oh, my old kicker pedal bolt.
Good thing I wasn't in bare feet.
That's a souvenir. Yeah, we'll keep that. That's a workplace hazard.
Yeah, it was.
Okay. What about that little piece that goes on there?
You didn't put it on there yet.
Does it have to be there?
It helped put the oil inside the primer where it belongs.
Oh, that's a problem.
Why'd you lose it?
Yeah, see, it was in my side pocket and I got on the highway and it flew out. You know, dumbass. Dumbass award for the day. Already
Nice. You need better pockets.
Yeah, I haven't ridden in a while, so I forgot that that's a no-no.
Well, it's only a $25, $30 snoot that you lost. So
I know, one little piece.
got a snoot adapter. It's a good thing they didn't lose the other half. We wouldn't be able to weld it together.
Yeah. Yeah.
It wouldn't be the first time they didn't have those on there.
Well, it was getting oil before.
There you go. It'll get it again.
Okay, so you say these tapers don't match here, right?
Oh, what tapers are that?
The main shaft and the clutch hub?
No, because it fell off.
Yeah, so that's not good, huh?
It ain't the best.
All I got is this little wimpy key holding it in now.
That's right. That and the dumbass that torqued it down.
Oh god.
You said you had a loose stud now too? Where's that loose stud at?
Let's see which one. This one here.
That one's loose?
Yes, sir.
What's it look like?
Looks like that.
It looks loose?
Yeah.
Oh.
That was not loose when I put it all together.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me. Things come loose all the time.
Huh.
There's this one down here. And eventually they come out.
And then that's not good.
So,
What's that?
alright. So what we gotta do is you gotta peen this thing again.
Oh, down here?
Yep.
With a ball peen hammer?
Yep. And a torch. And some heat.
Oh.
Beat the tar out of it.
52.
Beat the tar out of it. Alright, we're gonna do some beating on this thing. We'll be back.
Nice.